Going back to the generate page, there are two ways I use to create my sound effects. The first method is simply describing the sound effect I want to generate. For example, birds chirping or footsteps. The second option, and the one I use the most, is going to ChatGPT, attaching the image I need the sound effects for, and asking for sound effects and background noise. Once you receive the answer, copy any of the suggested options that best suit your video and paste them into the box. Then, download the sounds that work best for you.